Completing your Conditionality Tax Check. You now need to prove you're a taxpayer if you want to renew your taxi or private hire licence. In this video, we'll take you step by step through completing your HMRC online tax check. You can call us if you need advice. So what is a tax check? The Conditionality Tax Check confirms that you're registered for tax. After completing this tax check, you'll be given a code. You must give this code to your licensing authority with your licence application. They will not be able to process your licence without it. What you need to know: your government gateway user ID and password, the date of when you first got your licence, the length of your most recent licence, and how you pay tax on the income you earn from your licensed trade. Step 1. Signing into the government gateway. Follow the link on screen now to begin. If you've forgotten your user ID or password, you can retrieve these at the Problems Signing In section. Step 2. Completing your tax check. When signed in, ensure you're on the correct page for HMRC tax checks. It should look like the page on screen now. Check your personal details are correct and then click Confirm. Select the type of licence you are applying for, then click Continue. Select how many years ago you first got a licence, then click Continue. Select how long your most recent licence is valid for, then click Continue. Select what your tax status was for licence work done between the dates shown. Please note the dates on your screen may differ to those shown on our example. Then click Continue. Select if you included income earned in the previous question in your tax return for the tax year shown on your screen. Again, please note the dates on your screen may differ to those shown on our example. Then click Confirm. Check your answers thoroughly. Here, you are making a declaration to HMRC that the answers are correct to the best of your knowledge. If you are unsure of any of the answers, you should speak to an accountant or tax advisor. Click Confirm when you're sure. On the next screen, copy or write down your tax check code, as you will need it for your licence check. Step 3. Visit your licensing authority renewal page. Visit your licensing authority's licence application page. Depending on your council, this may be an online form or a document to download. On the section for tax check number, insert the number you copied in step 2. Submit this form or send to your licensing authority to complete your application. Step 4. Success. Your tax check should now be completed. If your tax code is incorrect or void, your licensing authority will notify you. If you need any help or assistance, call us free on 0208 529 2600 or email to info@eazitax.co.uk. Eazitax, making tax easy.